Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute snake. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve up to the right and bring it down. Now on the left side, let's curve it out and back in and over. And then close it off on the right side. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And then add another one inside on the top right. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Now top down and let's draw 2 bumps across like this for the mouth. And then 2 curves underneath for the tongue. And then a V-shaped point in the center to close it off. Next, let's hop up, and at the top of the head, let's draw 3 ovals like this. And then 2 on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the right, and let's draw a curve down, and then bring it out at the bottom. Now let's hop over to the left and let's draw a wavy line down and bring it over to the right. Now let's continue this line by curving it up and over like this. Now we're going to continue the body on the left side with a wavy line down and out. Then from the end, let's curve it down and then bring it back in with a wavy line. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw some details. Let's start inside underneath the head and let's draw a wavy line down and then curve it over to the right at the bottom. Now let's hop over to the tail and let's draw a wavy line across near the bottom. Now inside these sections, let's draw some curved stripes. And the same thing in the tail section at the bottom. And lastly, let's add some scales on the body with some small ovals. Let's start with 3 small ones at the bottom in the center here. 2 on the right side. And then a few close to the tail. And that's it for this cute snake. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!